I'm sitting in a 2020 Nissan Altima. We have no prox keys. We're going to program one prox key using a brand new OEM prox key. Start button's right next to the shifter. Go ahead and turn your flashers on first. Let's get started. Go into Altima, key coding, 20, smart number 3, program keys, hazard lights are on. Okay, as soon as I hit OK, you'll see a status bar and you'll hear some chimes. There's a status bar. There's the chime. That means the machine is done doing its job. You put it away. All we have to do now is press the start button, hold the fob up next to it. Dashboard lights up. There's our 5 flashes. Turn it off. Press the start button, hold the fob up next to it. There we go. Turn it off. That should be it. Key registration complete. Flashers off. Push the start button. Unhook. Okay. Starts up. And that's all there is to it.